I'm gonna show you how to find out everything about your competition using this one tool. Let's go! Head over to Similarweb.com and then type in the URL for the competitor that you want to spy on, and then click search. Then it's gonna show you the ranking and how much traffic they're getting on a monthly basis, bounce rate, so on and so forth. And then if you keep scrolling, it's going to show you what countries they're mostly targeting. Shows here most of it's United States. And then it also will show you the gender of their targets, percentage-wise with age. And then if you keep scrolling, you're going to be able to see where most of their traffic is coming from and their sales. So we see here 8.2% direct and then 61% paid traffic. This is Google, right? And then social media, which is like Facebook and all that stuff, 18.26%. And then if you keep scrolling down, it actually tells you where their social's coming from, 100% from YouTube. So what's all that information going to allow you to do? It's going to allow you to basically even more reverse engineer your competitor, especially if they're a high competitor in the marketplace, to see where most of their traffic is coming from, most of their money, their target audience. And then also, if you use PP Spy to see how much revenue they generate, you could then use Similarweb to be able to see where they are marketing to generate that amount of revenue. So stop wasting time and go make that money online. Let's fucking go!